friends. Today we're going to be doing something really fun, and that is called estimation. Estimation is when we're making a guess that makes sense about an amount of something. So we're going to be estimating how tall people are in our family, and we're going to be using stuffed animals as our tool for measuring. So we're going to make some estimates, and then we're going to do actuals. So I'm writing down estimate and actual. Our estimate might be wrong, but it might help us to go ahead and estimate how tall, how many stuffed animals tall Bryce is. So Bryce, stand up. And I'm looking here, my stuffed animals are about medium size. Stand up for a second, Bryce. I just kind of want to get an idea. So if I do this just kind of to approximate, I need to make a guess. How tall, how many stuffed animals tall do we think Bryce is? Hudson, what do you think? How many stuffed animals tall do you think?
7.
7. So one thing we realized is when we started to stack the stuffed animals, they started to fall over. So Bryce, you came up with the idea, it might be easier to lay down and we can measure you that way. So go ahead and lay down, and our estimate is 7. So I'm gonna write 7 here for Bryce. And then Hudson, would you help line up from toe to head stuffed animals from, now some of the stuffed animals are bigger than others, but we're gonna go ahead and line them up right next to each other. 2, move this one down, 3. Okay, keep laying down, Bryce. Okay, here. Whoops. Sonic. Okay, come on. 4. Up. All right, can I pass you another one?
Yeah.
5. Woo! Our estimate's really close.
6.
6. Oh my goodness. 6. All right, Bryce, stand up.
Oh,
We were super close. Notice we didn't guess 20. 7 and 6, that's pretty close. We made a really close
is
estimate.
it my turn?
Hudson, I think it's your turn. So you're gonna stand up, Hudson. And you know Hudson's a little bit shorter than Bryce. Bryce, stand up next to Hudson, because this will help us kind of make a guess, kind of an educated guess. Bryce, do you wanna make a guess at what the estimate is of stuffed animals for Hudson?
4.
You think about 4? All right, Head, go ahead and lay down. And then let's line up some of these stuffed animals. Now, if you're using bigger ones, it's gonna be less, right? So let's kind of try to use the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you think 4? Put your arms
Yeah,
down, Head, and
4.
let's really take a look.
4.
Head to
4.
toe. Let's look
It's
really
4.
closely.
It's 4.
Hi friends, I'm back and I want to measure or estimate how tall Ryan is. So I'm going to take a video. I'm not going to be in the video because I'm taking the video, but we know he's quite a bit taller than the other members of my family. So let's make an estimate on that. All right, so thanks Ryan. We know you're quite a bit taller than Bryce, and Bryce was about 7 stuffed animals. Bryce, do you have a guess or an estimate for how many stuffed animals tall Dad is?
14.
14. Okay, go ahead and put the estimate down on our dry erase board, and then Dad is going to go ahead and lay down, and we're going to guess our actual. Okay, so Dad's going to lay down, and Bryce, you're going to go ahead and line medium-sized animals from toe to head. Thanks for helping, Head. Medium-sized. Now, the bigger the stuffed animals are, look at that. That might have been surprising. Okay, you could probably fit one more there, Bryce. You could probably fit one more by his head.
Yeah.
Okay, let's count them.
It's only 7.
It's only 7. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's one more, 8. Now, why do we think that Dad only had 7, but somehow it's strange, you also had 7. What do you think changed? Why do you think that's the case?
I don't know.
What do you think about the size of the animals we're using?
They were bigger.
Yeah, so the size of the animals really makes a difference. And we chose big stuffed animals, okay, for Dad's measuring. So it actually only ended up being 8, which was kind of surprising. All right, I think it's time to measure me.
Yay.
All right, friends, it's time to measure me. And Hudson went ahead and made a prediction. He thought, what did you think, Hud? How many stuffed animals tall do you think I'll be? 8. And that's if we use kind of those medium to small, because I'm definitely shorter than Dad, right? And Dad used 8 large stuffed animals. So I'm gonna lay down and I need you guys to measure me. Okay, let's try it.
What are you doing?
Has to be lined up. Bryce, can you count them?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Count
1,
again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6? Does one more fit over here? Because I feel like there's a space. 7. 7?
Yep.
All right, go ahead and record the 7. Interesting. So with estimates, one thing, with measuring, one thing to note is that if you're using the same size objects, that might help you compare a little bit more clearly. This is kind of fun to see what happens if we change the shapes and sizes of the stuffed animals. If I wanted to be really accurate, one thing I could do is make sure I just have a pile of large stuffed animals, a pile of small stuffed animals, a pile of medium stuffed animals, and I could do my estimates that way and be more precise. But we were just having some fun. We were making some guesses, some things that made sense to us, and we hope you have a lot of fun measuring different things and estimating how long things are or how tall things are in your house. See you soon, friends.